Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this particular tutorial we are going to learn about projection of line which is inclined to HP and parallel to VP, right? And this is the problem statement for that. A line PQ 150 mm long is inclined 45 degree to HP and having its one end 100 mm above HP and 75 mm in front of VP. Draw the projection. So let's see the solution for that, right? So again we need to repeat the same steps. Draw one projection line XY, right? Press escape. Just give the text here, okay? So it will be easy for you to recognize, right? So from here I am starting 22 and 0 rotation angle. So this is my XY reference line, right? And in the VP basically I'm getting the front view, and here in the HP I'm getting the top view, right? So here you can write down your name, right? So every time you need to repeat this, do not forget THRCE. So if you are a student, you can write down your name, roll number and section. Just press escape. So what you can do, you can draw one projection line, okay? So this is basically the projection line, convert it into cyan color, okay? So this will be acting as a reference point. So what he is saying, let us read the problem statement. A line PQ 150 mm long, okay, is inclined 45 degree to HP, okay? Inclination to HP means this inclination will be seen in the front view, right? That is on the vertical plane, okay? And having its one end 100 mm above HP means one of the end that may be the nearest point of this line PQ, okay, which will be 100 mm above HP and 75 mm in front of VP. So position of point, one of the point of line PQ is given. So let us say the first point is P, right? So point P is 100 mm above HP. 100 mm above HP means above XY line 100 mm. So what I am going to do, I am going to draw a particular point, right? So 1 spacing, 2 spacing, 3 spacing, 4 spacing. So this is my first point, that is point P, which is 100 mm above HP, and the similar point P is 75 mm in front of VP, okay? That is 75 in front of VP means once you are looking from the top view, you will get a point, right, which is 75 mm below XY line, right? So what I'm going to do, again I'm going to draw one point which is 75 mm below XY line, right? So 1 spacing, 2 spacing, 3 spacing. 3 spacing means basically 0.75 AutoCAD unit, that is 75 mm, right? So now you got the point P, right? Its positions in the front view and its position in the top view, right? So you can give, for your understanding, every time you need to give the dimensions so that text, so that it will be easy for you, right? So let us see the text, okay? It is asking me for the positions. So I need to write the text, 0.2 spacing, and rotation angle will be 0, right? So this is my point P dash, okay, and this is my point P. So small letters, you can write it down, better to write down the small letters, okay? So this is P dash, okay, right? Is that clear to all of you? So what the next step is, so I am clicking this particular P, I am deleting it, okay? So I don't want that, okay? So from this particular point I will draw one horizontal line, okay, as a reference line, okay? So this is my projection line, right? So, and from here also I will draw one projection line. So these are the two projection lines I have drawn. So immediately you convert that projection line into cyan color, right? Escape. So this particular line PQ, length of the line PQ is given, which is 150 mm long, okay, is inclined 45 degree to HP. Inclination to HP means its view will be in the front view, that is in the VP. So from this particular point I will draw one line which is 150 mm long and 45 degree to HP. So you can see here in this particular, so 150 mm means how much AutoCAD you need? 1.5 AutoCAD unit. So you can write down by numeric keys 1.5 and then press tab, right? And then he will ask for the angle, that is 45 degrees. So you will write down the 45 degree and just press enter. Okay. So now you can see this is line basically which is 150 mm long, right, and 45 degree inclined to HP. So if you are not believing this, what you can do, you can cross verify it by click on the dimensions. Okay, just press this particular point, right, and press this particular point, and you can see this is 150 mm. Okay, again you can go to dimensions. So if you do not want to get confused, what you can do, you always try to give dimensions alternately. Okay, so your corrections will be your drawing will be correct. Okay, here again I am giving the dimension. You can see, so this particular point is 100 mm above HP and 75 mm in front of VP, right? So again I am clicking here, this is point, basically my another point is control Z, right? So this point is basically, so if you are not able to select, what you need to do, you need to click unclick a snap and click on O snap. Okay, so now you can able to see here. Okay, click on snap. Okay, so now you can able to locate the point. Okay, let us check it is there. No, escape. Okay, just click on this particular point, right? Here is the point you need to select. Okay, so click on O snap, right, and this particular point you will get. So just click here. Okay, so you can see now this is correct. So this is my point Q dash. So you can give the dimensions from, okay, so we will give that, right? So from this particular point Q dash, okay, I need to draw the projection which is perpendicular to XY, right, which is perpendicular to XY, right? So you can see this is perpendicular. So if you are not getting these, okay, so what you can do, you click on the snap, okay, and they click perpendicular, okay, and just click on the snap. So now it became, don't worry, and click on the snap, okay, and draw one perpendicular, right? So I cannot see this is perpendicular, you can check it. Okay, there is some points, control J, okay, click on the line, click here and draw one perpendicular. Okay, now it is perpendicular, right? So give the name, the text. Okay, here I need to write down my second point name, right? Its height will be 0.2 and rotation angle will be 0, right? So here I am writing the next, that is Q dash. Okay, this is Q dash, and this will be the intersection of this particular projection and this horizontal projections. You will get some point here, right? So this is point your Q, right? This is point Q, right? Just press escape, right, and just click on the point and just give the, so this is your projections in the top view, right? So then join this particular line, because in the top view we will get a line of reducing length. Okay, so now convert this particular projections and dimensions to cyan color, right? I forget to give the angle, right? So how I'm going to give the angle, whether this is not, so here in the dimensions there is an angular toolbox, right? So just click on this line, click on this line basically, so you will see this is 45 degree line. Okay, just click this angular dimensions and convert it into cyan color. So students, this is basically the solution for a line PQ 150 mm long, which is inclined 45 degree to HP, right? So this is inclined 45 degree to HP and having its one end 100 mm above HP, 75 in front of VP, right? And we have drawn its projections. So I hope you understand this, right? So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.